Hello friends, today we're going to do a super cute little turntable, you guys. I'm not even going to try to explain it to you guys. We are just drawing it out as we go. This is going to be a super sweet little pumpkin. Guys, the colors we used are mojito, sugared glass. Most of them are Paint Pixie paints, blackberry cobbler, licorice, lemon crinkle. This has just been such a cute little project, such a fun little project. I hope you guys enjoy this. I would sit and complain. I would sit and explain every bit of it, you guys, but I have to keep it going so quickly that it's just so hard to explain as you go. Just adding the little, we're pouncing all over the place, you guys. Just adding in some creams and some grays, a few little darker colors, adding some black around these edges. Some greens, a little bit of oranges. This was so much fun to do. It just, when I would do one thing, I'd see something else that needed to be done, so I would just start adding other things. And I think this looks kind of like a sweet little pumpkin in the dusk. You guys, I decided that after I decided that I was going to keep it, I decided we would go ahead and resin it. I asked Randy and Whitney, and they both absolutely fell in love with it. I wasn't really sure about this turntable, but they really liked it, so I decided to go with it. And we are going to resin it and make it beautiful for you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this. I have had so much fun with it. I hope you guys have so much fun watching it, and I hope this inspires you to do something of your own. I will let you know that I did take tape and put around the edges of this turntable. You guys, I don't know whether it will work or not. I'm hoping it will, to keep it from falling over the edges. I will find out in the morning, and I will let you guys know. We will post a picture after we take off the tape. You're supposed to wait 48 hours to test it. So we'll find out, you guys. I'll know in 48 hours, and I will get back with you guys and let you guys know. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. I was using, you guys would have laughed. I don't know if you guys will be able to see this or not. I caught my tape on fire using this torch. There it is. You guys see it, just a little flash of it. And so I decided, well, we better not use the torch anymore. So then I go back and get my heat tool, and I decided to start using the heat tool with it instead of the torch, you guys, because I don't want to cause any more fires. We don't want to take a chance. So there's the heat tool. Crazy things, you guys. Crazy things happen in crazy times. Too funny. But I hope you guys have a blessed day, and I thank you guys so very much for watching this video. And you guys, if you will, please like and comment and just leave me some kind of fun little thing, if you will, you guys. That way we can get this out here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.